Western Uttar Pradesh, this is Western Uttar Pradesh, this is Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. Okay, it experiences the monsoon by mid July. Okay, this is the mid July. Here you can see this is 15th. Here you can see this is the 15th July, approximate mid July. Okay, Himachal Pradesh and the rest of the country. So this was the arrival of monsoon. Now we will see the withdrawal of the monsoon. Now withdrawal of the monsoon, this is also known as retreating monsoon. Basically withdrawal or the retreat of the monsoon is gradual process. It is a gradual means slow process. The withdrawal of the monsoon begins in north western states of India early September. Beta, here you can see these are the north वेस्टर्न स्टेट्स. यहाँ पर आपका मिड सितंबर से स्टार्ट होता है और इन दिस वे September by mid October it withdraws completely from the northern half of the peninsula. By October आप देख सकते हैं it withdrawal from northern half of the peninsula. The withdrawal from the southern half of the peninsula is fairly rapid. Southern आपका यहाँ पर ये आपका बहुत तेज़ी से होता है southern peninsula. By early December the monsoon has withdrawn from the rest of the country. Here you can see from December, by the end of December withdraw जो मानसून है वो हमारे इंडिया से पूरी तरह से विड्रॉ कर जाता है, वापस चला जाता है. सो दिस इज़ द ऑनसेट एंड विड्रॉल ऑफ द मानसून. इस पर एक बेटा सेपरेट क्वेश्चन लॉन्ग रेडी होता है. एक्सप्लेन द ऑनसेट ऑफ द मानसून, okay, with its withdrawal process. So this was the onset and withdrawal of the monsoon. Now we will learn about the seasons. So the monsoon type of climate is characterized by a distinct seasonal pattern. The weather conditions greatly change from one season to other. In India basically beta 4 main seasons can be identified: the cold weather season, the hot weather season, the advancing monsoon and the retreating monsoon with some regional variation. So let's discuss first the cold weather season. Cold weather season. The cold weather season begins from mid-November in northern India and stays till February. The temperature decreases during this time. The temperature decreases from south to the north. The average temperature of then आपका days are warmer during cold weather season. Days are warm and nights are cold. Frost is common in the north and the higher slopes of the Himalayan mountains experiences heavy snowfall. During this season, the northeast trade winds prevail over the country. They blow from land to the sea, and hence for most part of the country it is dry season. Some amount of rain occurs on the Tamil Nadu coast from these winds as they blow from sea to land. Okay, next beta. The weather is normally marked by the clear sky, low temperatures and low humidity and feeble variable winds. Next, a characteristic feature of the cold weather season over the northern plain is inflow of cyclonic disturbances from west and the northwest. These low pressure systems originate over the Mediterranean Sea, about which already I have discussed, that is the westernic cyclonic disturbance, southern and western Asia, and move into the India along with the westerly flow. They causes the much needed winter rains over the plains and snowfall in mountains. Although total amount of winter rainfall locally known as Mahavat is small, okay, but they are good for the cultivation of Rabi crops. So these were some characteristic features of the cold weather season. Next, the peninsular region does not have a well defined cold season because southern peninsular region lies there in the tropical climatic zone. So such specific cold winter season characteristic we cannot find there in the southern peninsula.